So Phil, thanks for the invitation onto the HAIMER booth today. I can see here you've got a full complement of solid carbide tools, but I'm really interested to learn about the Duolock and this contraption at the front.
Yeah, this is really an addition to the range now. So we have 3xD, 32 diameter. This is a typical aerospace type application. So we've really expanded the portfolio on the Duolock heads.
And the Duolock, a lot of people have a twin point location. I believe Duolock is 3.
Yeah, we have 3-point location. It's extremely accurate, extremely stiff system, and we can really slot a 1x diameter.
Obviously we've got green blanks here, but if we move across, you've got pretty much every end you could desire, every front end you need.
Yeah, we have now over 100 geometries, so every material covered, so radius, M-mil combinations, and also you can see we have here a range of blanks, so we can in fact go bigger than 32 millimeter.
Essentially, you've got something for everything there, but you must have a best seller. For instance, I can see a corner rounding tool, a chamfer tool, but is there any good sellers? Is there any that sell more than any of the others?
Well, I think that the HAIMER mill geometry, which is our kind of general purpose, and then we have the power mill tools with corner radius combinations, so we can suit everything from 1x to 3x diameter.
Out of interest, I know these are long reach applications, but how much rigidity is lost over a solid tool?
In this case, nothing, actually. You can see we have these mold and die type tools now. So we have a solid carbide core, up to 300 millimeters long, and then we have the taper here, matching the draft angle with the die.
So the core, that's taken away all the harmonics, presumably?
Absolutely, so we can work vibration free.
If we move along here, what have you got here?
So we have some different possibilities on the extensions. So we have really solid carbide for the stiffest applications, denser metal or heavy metal as is commonly known, and also steel. So we can offer the 3 different possibilities.
And again, an abundance of front ends. For instance, we have a 5-flute cutter here.
Absolutely, yeah. Anything that is needed for the application. It's the connection size that's the key thing. So if you have a 12 millimeter Duolock connection, you can screw in standard M-mil, ball nose, corner rounding, anything you need.
And finally, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is fairly unique. You've got shrink fit tooling for turning.
Yeah, well in this case this is Duolock collets. So we have here a solid collet with a thread inside, so we're very quickly able to change the collet in the machine, change the M-mil in the machine rather, so we don't lose any heat from the process, and then the machine doesn't lose any accuracy.
So you wouldn't need a preset in activity?
No, because we guarantee that the blank will be within 15 microns, the actual M-mil. So actually once you screw it back in, then it's good to go.
So HAIMER shrink fit, not just for milling?
No, for any application, double the potential.